67 years ago, a son of the soil united the entire country. And today, farmers of the entire country will unite for him. 67 years ago, an iron man invigorated India. And today, the entire country will aggregate iron for him to build the world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity, for which the farmers from across lakhs of villages of the country will donate their agricultural tools made of iron. The foundation stone of this monument will be laid by the Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Narendra Modi, on 31st October 2013, the birth anniversary of Sardar Patel.
सरदार साहब का एक विश्व का सबसे बड़ा ऊंचा स्मारक बने और इस स्मारक को बनाने में आप भी हिस्सा लें।
Sardar united the country and we will glorify it. एक भारत, श्रेष्ठ भारत।